Hey, let's zoom. You want to zoom? Because, like, you can see who I am, right? Does this look good? I'm smiling. How about now? Is it steady? I think that's better. Wait, is that better? Is that better? Let's talk about Zoom conference calls. Let's try to make them a little bit better. I know that a lot with the coronavirus and all the stuff that's going on, a lot of people are on conference calls all the time, and some people are really sick of it. But some people are also not utilizing their surroundings very well, and they look like that little funny clip I put at the very beginning where they're down the bottom of the screen, or they're so dark you can't even see who they are. So let's talk about how we can make those images a little bit better. So first off, consider your surroundings. So right now, I'm on my walk that I do almost every morning. I was looking for somewhere that was well lit to do this video. So I found a place where the sun is behind me and it's bouncing off of all of that foliage that you're seeing on the other side of the road from me. You can notice that the camera is completely dark. You can't even tell what kind of camera it is because it's so black right now. So I don't want to be over on that side. I want to be on this side where the light is bouncing off and blanketing me evenly. So consider where you're lit. You never want to have the sunlight or a lamp right behind you, as I showed you in that little part at the beginning, where it's super extreme, because like I showed you, it gets super dark and you can't even tell who you are. Also, think about where you sit and take a test shot and look at your screen if you're on Zoom and notice where you're sitting in the screen. Position your camera, whether it be on a tripod like I would recommend like this is, or on a stack of books, or on a box, or some boxes of games, board games, things like that. We've used that at our house before too. The tripod that I have the camera on right now, it's not expensive, it's just like a $70 little tripod, but it folds up really small, it's lightweight, anybody can use it, and it just keeps your camera nice and stable so that you're not all shaky and all crazy like that. So like I mentioned, take a little bit more time, think about your Zoom conference calls, think about how you look in your Zoom to other people, and put a little bit more thought into it, and make sure you look good for the people you're talking to. See you next time.